इस वीडियो में हम इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन एक्सरसाइज 3.2 बी का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं. सो दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द टाइप है dx अपॉन a प्लस बी साइन एक्स और b कॉस एक्स, या तो dx अपॉन a प्लस बी साइन एक्स प्लस c कॉस एक्स. तो इस टाइप के इंटीग्रल में आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. सब्स्टिट्यूशन इज दिस t इज इक्वल टू tan x by 2. dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. We can solve this. We can find dx. How we get 2 dt upon 1 plus t square? By taking inverse of this x by 2 is equal to tan inverse and derivative find करके आप इतना find कर सकते हैं dx. Then sin x you can express in half angle, that is 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square. और हमको tan x by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है t, सो विल गेट 2t अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वेयर. cos x इन टर्म्स ऑफ tan x by 2 आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं 1 माइनस tan स्क्वेयर x by 2 अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वेयर x by 2. सो वेल नोन फार्मूला, सो वी यूज दिस फार्मूली और आप ये डिराइव कर सकते हैं. तो अभी आपको बाय हार्ट करना है t इज इक्वल टू tan x by 2, dx इज दिस, sin x इज एंड cos x, एंड डायरेक्टली वी सब्स्टिट्यूट. अभी ये कंपेयर कर सकते हैं आप dx अपॉन a प्लस बी साइन एक्स से. तो dx अपॉन a प्लस बी साइन एक्स, क्लियरली दिस सब्स्टिट्यूशन विल बी t इज इक्वल टू, वी पुट t इज इक्वल टू, हियर पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan x by 2 एंड dx इज इक्वल टू 2 dt अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. साइन x है तो आप sin x सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 2t अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. So integral I is equal to dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square and 3 plus 2 times sin x. Sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. 2t upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square will be LCM here. Integral 2 dt upon, ये 1 plus t square cancel होगा बाद में. 3 into 1 plus t square plus 2 and 2, this is 4t upon 1 plus t square. ये 1 plus t square cancel होगा. It is 2 dt upon 3t square, और ये 3 आप बाहर ले सकते हैं, इंटीग्रल के 3 बाहर लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे आएगा 1 plus t square plus 4 by 3t. 3 आप बाहर ले सकते, विल टेक कॉमन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वेयर और ये 4 by 3 इंटू टी. देन आई इंटीग्रल इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3, और ये 2 न्यूमरेटर में है, दैट आल्सो वी कैन राइट आउटसाइड. इंटीग्रल dt अपॉन टी स्क्वेयर 4 by 3t. Then half coefficient of this, that is 2 by 3, उसका स्क्वायर 4 by 9, 2 by 3 square 4 by 9. half coefficient of this, half of the coefficient of t, मतलब 2 by 3. 2 by 3 का स्क्वायर हम ऐड करेंगे, so it is 4 by 9, subtract 4 by 9, और ये 1 as it is है तो 1 we will write. This is square of t plus 2 by 3, so which is 2 by 3 integral dt upon t plus 2 by 3 whole square. 9 minus 4, that is 5. This is 9 minus 4, it is 5 upon 9. 2 upon 3 integral dt upon t plus 2 by 3 square. Will we express it in 5 root 5 upon 3 whole square. ये अभी फॉर्म में है x square plus a square फॉर्म में. So integral dx upon x square plus a square is 1 by a. So we'll write the formula integral dx upon x square plus a square, which is 1 by 8 tan inverse of x upon a plus c. So put in the formula 2 by 3 1 by a. 1 by a is 3 by root 5. Tan inverse of t plus x, आपका x है t plus 2 by 3. So t plus 2 by 3 upon a. A is root 5 upon 3 plus c. और आगे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसको, so that we will get it is equal to this 3 is getting cancelled. It is 2 by root 5 tan inverse of 2 by root 5 tan inverse of 3t plus 2 3t plus 2 upon root 5 plus c. 3t plus 2 upon 3 and root 5 upon 3. 3 is getting cancelled. अभी t is equal to है t substitution. T is equal to tan x by 2. This is our substitution. T is equal to tan x by 2. So 2 by root 5 tan inverse of 3t. T is tan x by 2 plus 2 upon root 5 plus c is the answer. 2 by root 5 tan inverse of 3 tan x by 2 plus 2 upon root 5. Question number 2, dx upon 4 plus 4 minus 5 cos x. ये भी dx upon a plus b cos x और a plus b sin x ये फॉर्म में है. So we apply the same t equal to tan x by 2 substitute करेंगे. So dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. 2 dt upon 1 plus t square 4 minus 5 into cos. Cos is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. Simplify this, integral 2 dt upon 1 plus t square 4 into 1 plus t square 5 into 1 minus t square upon LCM is 1 plus t square 4 into 1 plus t square minus 5 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. This 1 plus t square ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं आप, so that integral I is equal to 2 dt upon 4 t square 4 plus 4 t square minus 5. This minus will be plus 5 t square, which is integral 2 dt upon 4 t square and 5 t square will become 9 t square. 4 minus 5 will become minus 1. This 2 you can write outside. Integral dt upon 9 t square will write 3t and square minus 1. Coefficient of t you can take the denominator. I is equal to 2 upon 3 coefficient and apply this formula dx upon x square minus a square 1 by 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. आपका x पूरा 3t है, so it is 1 upon 2a. 2a is 1, a is 1 log of x. X is 3t minus a upon x plus a. 3t plus 1 plus c constant of integration. This 2 is getting cancelled and it is 1 upon 3 log of 3 t. T is tan x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 3 log 3 tan x by 2 minus 1, 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. Third question is again of type dx upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Dx upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x. So substitution is same. T is equal to tan x by 2 dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So I is equal to integral dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square upon 2 cos x. Cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, 2t upon 1 plus t square. LCM of the denominator is 1 plus t square. So integral I is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, 2 times 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square minus 2t, and whole denominator is 1 plus t square. This 1 plus t square is getting cancelled, and 2 dt, our integral is 2 dt upon 2 plus 2t square, 2 plus 2t square, 1 minus t square minus 2t, integral 2 dt upon 2t square minus t square, that gives us t square. This is 3, and minus 2t, minus 2t plus 1 plus 2. Then this 2 we can write outside the integral sign in the numerator, dt upon, see here 2t square minus t square, that is t square, and minus 2t as it is. 1 plus 2 gives us 3, but we wrote here 1 and 2 because this is what square of t minus 1. So it is square of t minus 1, this, and plus root 2 square, so that it is of the form dx upon x square plus a square, and its integration is 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse of x. X is this t minus 1 upon a is root 2 plus c. Now this is 2 upon root 2, which is root 2, and it is root 2, so that the answer is root 2 into tan inverse of t is tan x by 2, so it is tan x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus c, constant of integration. So here we substitute t is equal to, क्या substitute करना आपको, tan x by 2 वापस minus 1 upon root 2, and this 2 upon root 2 we make it root 2, so root 2 tan inverse of tan x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2. ये टाइप थोड़ा डिफरेंट पड़ता है, dx upon a plus b cos 2x, note that 2x, या b sin 2x. So here our substitution is different, t is equal to tan x, instead of tan x by 2 t is equal to tan x. dx चेंज होगा, खाली dx चेंज होता है, dx is x is tan inverse of t and dx by dt is 1 upon 1 plus t square, so that dx आप डिराइव कर सकते dt upon 1 plus t square. प्रीवियस केस में 2 dt होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे dt upon 1 plus t square. बाकी sin 2x और cos 2x में कोई सेम रहेगा, 2t upon 1 plus t square and this. So make substitution, 2x है, you should note that 2x it is. So I is equal to dx. dx is dt upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. 3 minus 2 cos. Cos 2x is 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Make substitution, simplify. 1 plus t square here. dt upon 1 plus t square, 3 times 1 plus t square minus 2 times 1 minus t square and whole divided by 1 plus t square, which is getting cancelled. 1 plus t square getting cancelled, and it will be integral dt upon 3 plus 3t square, 3 plus 3t square minus 2 plus 2t square. 3t square plus 2t square, it gives 5t square, and this is 1. So our integral I is equal to dt upon this is 1 and 5t square, 5t square plus 1, which is integral, see this is 5t square and 1. So dt upon root 5 t whole square plus 1. Coefficient of t is root 5, so coefficient will write in the denominator and apply formula dx upon x square plus 1. So it is 1 by a, that is 1, a is 1, tan inverse of root 5 t, that is x upon a, 1 plus c, which is 1 upon root 5 tan inverse of root 5 t. T is here this tan x, so it is tan x and plus constant of integration c, so will be the answer. Remember cos 2x है, इसलिए हमने t is equal to tan x. We have to substitute t is equal to tan x. If only x is there, then we put t is equal to tan x by 2. Question number 8, dx upon cos x minus sin x. How we evaluate this? इसको मान लो आप a है, a1 है, b1 है. So we divide by root of a square plus b square and multiply. So it is root of a square plus b square will give us 1 plus 1, that is root 2. So root 2 से हम divide और multiply करेंगे. So it is 1 by root 2 integral dx upon, it is 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x. This is what cos of pi by 4, sin of pi by 4 we substitute. यहाँ पे 1 by root 2 integral dx upon this 1 by root 2 substitute cos pi by 4 into cos x, sin pi by 4 into sin x, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, it's cos of a minus b, a plus b, which is integral 1 by root 2 into dx upon cos of a plus b. So a plus b means x plus pi by 4, x plus pi by 4. 1 by cos is sin, sec, 1 by root 2, 1 upon cos is sec of x plus pi by 4 dx, and integral sec is log of sec plus tan. So it is 1 by root 2 log of sec of x. Sec of x means this sec of x plus pi by 4. So log of sec plus tan. Integral sec x is log sec x plus tan x. So plus tan of x plus pi by 4 plus c. So very simple question, that 1 that is a dividing and multiplying by root of a square plus b square, and 1 by root 2 is what? Cos of pi by 4. 1 by root 2 is sin pi by 4. Cos a plus b formula we use. Question number 9, dx upon cos x minus root 3 sin x. इसको आप 1 लेंगे, इसको ये a और ये b. So dividing by root of a square plus b square, dividing by root of a square plus b square. So that gives us root of 1 plus root 3 का square है 3 and that is 1 plus 3 4 root that is 2. तो 2 से हम डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसको। I इंटीग्रल इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन, इसको हम डिवाइड करना है डिनोमिनेटर को, 1/2 cos x माइनस रूट 3/2 sin x। 1/2 is cos of 60 degree pi by 3 and root 3/2 is sin of 60 degree, that is pi by 3. So it is 1/2 integral dx upon cos of pi by 3 cos x sin of pi by 3 sin x, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is cos of a plus b. So it will be 1/2 integral dx upon cos of x plus pi by 3. Now 1 upon cos is sec, so our integral I is equal to, it is 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos means sec, so that it is 1/2 integral sec of x plus pi by 3 dx. Now integral sec is log of sec plus tan, ये x है, so it is log of sec x plus tan x, 1/2 log of sec x plus tan x, that means sec of x plus pi by 3 plus tan of x plus pi by 3 plus c. Integral log of integral sec x is what? Log of sec x plus tan x. This 1/2 as it is, as we have multiplied and divided. So 1/2 log of sec x plus tan x. इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.2b सब कंप्लीट किया है। If any doubt you can write in the comment and like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.